guys, it's Liane B. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I just finished my hair. Thank you so much to my girl Lindsey, and it's Lindsey Locks on Instagram if you want to check her out. But she's located here in Glendale, California. So if you're here, make sure you check her out. She does amazing coloring and styling. So I went with a little lighter. Usually I go a little darker for the holidays, but I decided to keep the light going just because it's really hard to keep and maintaining the blonde. Usually when you go back to dark and light, it ruins your hair, but I wanted to keep it light for the holidays. So here is the transformation. I hope you guys enjoy it.
You've been watching, I've been peeping. Know you wanna die in the deep end. You ain't gotta lie, know you see it. Want another try, know you need it. I can tell that you miss me by the way that you kiss me. I normally take it slowly, but I can't help when you hold me. What am I doing? I thought this was over. Now I'm drinking and thinking of shit when I should be sober. Oh, you're so clever. This must be a setup. All the times that I said that I hate you, now I don't remember. You always take me to the wild side. Take me to the wild side. You give me that amnesia, baby. Don't know why I need you, baby. You always take me to the wild side. Take me to the wild side. Your love is so controlling, baby. Don't nobody drives me crazy. Touching, grinding slow. I know what you want. I know that it's wrong. If this keeps going on, we'll just open up the door to all the pain you caused me before. What am I doing? I thought this was over. Now I'm drinking and thinking of shit when I should be sober. Oh, you're so clever. This must be a setup. All the times that I said that I hate you, now I don't remember. You always take me to the wild side. Take me to the wild.
Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Thank you so much Lindsey for killing it as always, and she added a little accessory here. I'm ready for the holidays. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Follow her, Lindsey Locks on Instagram, and we love you guys and we'll see you later.